Today I'm going to show you how you can buy a domain name easily without any experience, and you can get it done in just a few easy steps. No doubt one of the most exciting things when you're starting your very own online business is the purchase of your domain name. What are the benefits to having a domain name? How much does it cost to have a domain name? And most importantly, where do you buy your domain name from? Today I'm happy to share with you these answers, and I'm looking forward to showing you how you can go about buying your domain name. Let's get started. My name is Rupesh, and I'd like to welcome you to this channel, Passive Income for All. If it's your first time here, a very warm welcome to you. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you'll be kept up to date on what's happening within the world of online business. And speaking of which, if you would like to learn on how you can get started with your very own passive income business, click on the link below this video, or alternatively visit my YouTube homepage and you can learn more about how I got started and how you can get started as well with your very own online journey. So what are the benefits of having your own domain name? Okay, before we talk about the benefits, let's quickly talk about what is a domain name. It is simply the address to your website, and it's what separates your business from every other business that's on the internet. So if someone wants to find your online business, you're gonna just give them the URL, which is like equivalent to your house address, and they will find your business on the internet. Some of the benefits to having your own domain name. Well, the first benefit is you are staking your claim to the internet by, as you might be aware, there's so many millions of websites out there, and you are actually now purchasing a piece of the internet pie. As you keep working on your domain name, it starts gaining value. It actually becomes your very first online asset. The second benefit of it is that you are the captain of this website. That means that you have the flexibility of doing whatever it is to your website, be it adding content, videos, podcasts, blog articles, and so forth. They say having your own domain gives you better Google rankings, but as we speak, I don't have sufficient data to back up this statement, but they say it's one of the benefits to having your own domain versus a subdomain. Then you get branding and authority. Once you build your website with your domain name, you are becoming an authority in whatever niche or topic of your website that you've chosen to. And I mean, you just look around, look at how much brands have become household names. And then the final benefit to having your own domain name is that accountability. You know, if you look at people who are offering free websites, and if you go buy a free website, you're not really taking a serious steps to online business because you're not saying it's for free. But if you're investing into the purchase of buying your very own domain name, then you're saying to yourself, you know what, I'm taking the accountability, I'm going to work with this, and I'm going to see the process through. So congratulations on deciding to buy your very first domain name. So now let's have some fun, and let me show you how you can go about buying your domain name. Okay, so before I go straight into showing you how you can go about buying the domain name, I just want to tell you that the platform I'm going to introduce you to is called Wealthy Affiliate. It's an online teaching platform. It's free to sign up, and the link is in the video description below. That's where you're going to buy your domain name. So I just want to show you how you can get started. But what I wanted to tell you is that if you want to know where you can get started, just click on that link. It's the very first link that will tell you buy your domain name from here. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so here we are. When you click on the link, you'll come to the page that looks like this, where it says Wealthy Affiliate, a platform designed for affiliate marketers of all levels. And then what you simply need to do is you just type in your address, your email address here. But I just want to scroll down and show you, this is a platform where I started 5 years ago to learn to build my own online business. And they've taught me affiliate marketing, which is a business model where you learn to build a website based on your own passion or your hobbies, and you don't have to do any cold calling or recruiting. They will teach you how to build your beautiful websites, and they have tools and training to show you how to go about building the solid foundation for your business, and how to generate revenue is the final step of the affiliate marketing business models. And if you go further down, they'll even tell you some stats about it. 15 years in the business, 10,000 new businesses built monthly, 193 countries, 1.4 million members, and 23,000 people helped daily. and then you'll also have some testimonials, and these are the various testimonials from WA and the features that you need to succeed, and they just tell you about the features that you need to be successful online. They also have endless opportunities, zero risk, and like I said, you can try them out for free, and this is what we're gonna do right now. You're just gonna go ahead and put in your email address. So I'm gonna put in the email address and show you what happens next. Okay, after you've put in your email address, it will come to this page here where you can put in your email, put in your name, your username, and then they'll ask you for username ideas, and then you just click on get started now. So we're going to do that. Then you'll be introduced to Kyle, who is one of the co-founders of Wealthy Affiliate. First off, welcome. I know you're going to love your experience here and journey moving forward. I'm looking forward to giving you a quick overview. You can take the tour if you want to click get inside. I highly recommend you do that, but I know what it's all about, so I'm going to skip that. And then this is what the page looks like, or the inside of Wealthy Affiliate looks like. I know it may seem a lot of things going on, but this is where you get straight into the getting rolling lessons on how you can get started with building your business. But we're going to teach you on how you can use Wealthy Affiliate to buy your domain name, and that is quite a simple procedure. All you simply have to do is go ahead here, and where you see websites, click on websites, and then it's going to come up to this page here, and here you're going to click on Site Builder, because it's where you want to build your website. Click on Site Builder. Right, and then the next page, it will ask you what kind of website do you want to build. Do you want to build a free domain, a domain that you own? This is only if you upgrade to your premium membership and premium membership. So basically what I would recommend, that if you're going to buy your domain name, then you just say you want to upgrade. So if you want to buy a domain name from Wealthy Affiliate, and what you need to do is you need to upgrade to one of the premium options. You can choose a billing option method. You can go the monthly option, which is the most popular, which is $19 you get initially, and thereafter it's $49 per month. And then basically, yes, is your first $30 off on the first month, and then you can just say complete payment. And once you complete the payment, then you'll have access to the full Wealthy Affiliate platform. And I'm going to show you then, me as being a premium member, how easy it is to purchase a domain name from WA. Okay, so here we are in my profile. So I'm going to click on websites, then I'm going to click on Site Builder, and here where we are, as you can see, it's unlocked because I'm a premium member. And then I'll say I want to purchase a domain name that I own. So I'm going to click on a domain name that I own, and I can choose a domain name for my website. So I'm going to go ahead and fill that part in, and a title for my website. Sorry, I mean go to this part here where it says register domain name, and I'm going to go ahead and look for the available domain names. I'm going to show you how easy it is to actually find domain names. All you have to do is you just type in my kit, and what it will do an automatic search to see whatever domain names are available. And as you can see, there are various domain extensions. .com is not available, but they have a .org, .net, .org, .net, .net. Now I want something more specific. Okay, so I'm pretty interested in flying drones and that. So let's look for something in drones. I just say drones is my hobby, and it will search, and great, can you see .com is available. You just simply add it to cart. Now I at the moment got 2 domain names available, and then if I go and click on my cart, it will show you the 2 domain names that are available, right? Then you can just click on checkout, and then it will show you the domain names that are available. Then you can just click on continue. So then here it shows you 27 Rand is the cost to register, but now it's, remember, 27 Rand for 2 domain names. So you're looking at 27 Rand divided by 2, which works out to $13.99 per domain name. That need to be renewed every year. You can choose to register or renew for 10 years, 5 years, 6 years, and Wealthy Affiliate will renew it for you, or it will be automatically renewed. If you have to press continue, that's when I would put in my PayPal address, PayPal payment details, and basically the domain names will be automatically credited to my account. So as you have seen, that's how easy it is to purchase a domain name from the Wealthy Affiliate platform. I just want to give you a few tips. Should you buy a domain extension with a .com or .org or .net, it really does depend on the type of business that you're deciding to do. Is it going to be for international marketing? Is it going to be for a local business? Look, I would recommend that if you are doing an international business, then go for a .com extension. If you can't find a .com, then do a .org or .net. It really depends over time. As you're building your website with content, your website's going to get more authority, more trust with Google. Eventually, no matter what extension it is, it will get ranked. The other thing is, try not to include any dashes in your domain name, and try to stick to maybe 2 or 3 words for your domain name. Make it something that's easy to interpret, or that comes off easy off the tongue. Cool. So once we know about the domain name and how easy it is to buy, what are the benefits of purchasing a domain name from the Wealthy Affiliate site? Let me show you. Okay, so I'm going to show you some of the benefits of purchasing your website or your domain name from Wealthy Affiliate. But first, I want you to take a look at Site Rubiks. This is the most powerful website platform in the world, which is within Wealthy Affiliate. When you sign up, every successful business starts with a solid foundation, which is a website. Create and grow your business with the Site Rubiks website platform, which is what I walked you through now to show you how to build to get your domain name. It's not just about websites. We have some of the most useful and integrated tools for website analysis, management, ranking, and security. It is ridiculously easy to use, and surprisingly it's fun. Building websites has never been this awesome. Site Rubiks, and then you get free SSL, which is a security measure installed onto the websites. So quick and so easy, and I showed you how quick it was. The average time, it will take around 34 seconds to build your first framework for your website. A website that took weeks, if not months to build, can now be built in the blink of an eye. I just showed you the process of purchasing the domain name. This section here, we don't like website hackers, and it shows that we defeated 27 million hacking attempts. Average uptime for a website is 99.9%. They do all the hosting for every single website that you purchase from Wealthy Affiliate. So they're big on website security. They monitor your websites 24 hours a day, and support is always available 24 hours that you're gonna get, and the response time is 1 minute. Websites built for better ranking and success. And this was the part that I showed you, but this is now if you want to get a free website. Now what I showed you was purchasing your own domain name. You just enter a free name, enter the title for your website, and you can even get to choose your design, and in no time you'll have the whole entire framework for your site up and ready to go. Some of the other benefits of purchasing a domain name from WA: a domain experience has never been this seamless, period, right? Manage all of your domain names within a brilliantly fluff-free interface. Powerful comprehensive search. The site domains platform will instantly allow you to uncover any domain in seconds, and you've seen how quick it was when I showed it to you. Millions of available domain names, over 42,000 top level domains. 0 upsells. Basically you're only going to pay $13.99 per year. All your domains will be in one place. You have full access to emails, full privacy and protection, domain protection, full email accounts. With site domains you have everything all in one place, and this is included with every single domain. Security and privacy, I talked about that. So simple and so easy, and everything is included on one flat price. And as a premium member, you get all the domain features, email accounts, WHOIS protection, domain security, and the last part is the comparison of WA domains to the industry. As you can see with Wealthy Affiliate, the domain cost is $13.99. With the rest, it's $12, right? It may seem cheap, but the total cost of everything else, as you can see, let me just go down there, is $108.42.84. So Wealthy Affiliate turns out to be much cheaper. So you can get started by clicking on the link to get your first domain name. Okay, so I hope that this video has helped you out. Now you know how to go about buying a domain name. You know how much it costs to buy a domain name. You also have learned the awesome benefits you can gain from getting your own domain name. But before I leave you, I just want to also say that what I've showed you is the Wealthy Affiliate platform, just a section on buying the domain name. But they are fully integrated online business teaching platform that will show you how to start your very own affiliate marketing business. And this is where I started building my very own online business 5 years ago. They have an amazing community which is there to help you every step of the way. They have top-notch tools, training, everything that you need in one place to start from scratch, right up to building a fully fledged online business. You're going to learn affiliate marketing, and that's where you learn to build a business by promoting other people's products or service, so you don't have to do any cold calling, any recruiting. The other benefit of having an affiliate marketing business is that it's online, so you can work whenever you have the flexibility. So if you have a job or any other commitments, this will be an option for you to look at. It's going to give you passive income potential once you've built your business to that point. And there's a range of other business of benefits associated with an online business. It costs much more cheaper than your traditional business. And one of the main things is that, you know what, you're taking control of your life and you're finally able to build a business based on something that you love to talk about. So not only by signing up to Wealthy Affiliate will you be able to purchase your own domain names, but you are in for the top-notch and I believe one of the best training platforms to help you get started on your online journey. If you sign up, I'll be there to welcome you every step of the way and help you with whatever need, with whatever issues that you need help with. Thanks so much for watching, and I'm looking forward to checking out my next video. And do take care. And by the way, if you purchase your domain name, please post it here on your YouTube channel so that people can see who is the owner of this particular website. Goodbye.